Hello viewers, today we are going to learn conjunctions. Conjunctions are also called as joining words or connecting words. These conjunctions join words, group of words or short sentences. In this video, we are going to learn about use of three conjunctions and, or, but. Let's see the use of these conjunctions one by one. First is conjunction and. And is used to combine similar ideas or add information. Let's see the examples. I like apples. I like bananas. There are two sentences with similar ideas, so here we use conjunction and to join these two sentences. Now look at the sentence. I like apples and bananas. Now see the next example. Peacock is a beautiful bird. Peacock is a big bird. There are two sentences, and in these two sentences something is said about peacock. Now if you want to join these two sentences into one, we are going to use and conjunction. So the sentence will be Peacock is a big and beautiful bird. Now let's see one more example. Today is my birthday. I'm going to invite my friends for the party. Here the second sentence is adding more information to the first one. So when we join these two sentences into one, we are going to use conjunction and. Let's see the sentence now. Today is my birthday and I'm going to invite my friends for the party. So now you have learned the use of and conjunction. Let's move on to the next conjunction, but. But is used to indicate a difference in something or in somebody, or used to show an opposite ideas. Let's understand with the examples. The lion is strong. The rat is weak. These two sentences are showing difference between two animals in terms of their strength. So when we want to join such sentences, we use conjunction but. Now look at the sentence. The lion is strong, but the rat is weak. See the next example. He has one brother. He has no sister. Now, when we join these two sentences, the sentence would become he has one brother but no sister. Here again we used the conjunction but. Now look at the third sentence. Raju is poor. Raju is honest. In these two sentences, poor and honest are the two opposite qualities of Raju. When we join these two sentences into one, we use but conjunction. And the sentence would be Raju is poor but honest. So now you have learned the use of but conjunction. Let's see the third conjunction, or. Or is used to show a choice between two or more options. Let's see the example. You may have an apple. You may have an orange. These two sentences shows choice of having an apple or an orange. When we join these two sentences with or conjunction, the sentence would be you may have an apple or an orange. Let's see the next example. Is the dog black? Is the dog white? When we join these two sentences with or conjunction, the sentence would be is the dog black or white? Now you learnt use of or conjunction. Hope you learnt and liked. Thanks for watching.